Hold on to your hats, folks, because the tech world is exploding, and I'm not talking about some faulty smartphone battery. No, this is something far more significant, something that's shaking the very foundations of our financial systems. Over the last decade, the tech-heavy Nasdaq has skyrocketed over 400%. That's an astronomical rise, dwarfing the growth seen in other sectors. That's right, 4 times your money. Imagine investing $1,000 and seeing it grow to 4,000. It's the kind of return that dreams are made of. This isn't just some fluke, it's a seismic shift in how our world works. We're witnessing a transformation that's as profound as the Industrial Revolution. Tech isn't just gadgets anymore, it's the engine driving the global economy. From the servers that power our internet to the assembly lines producing cutting-edge devices, technology is at the heart of it all. Think about it. What do you use every single day? Your smartphone, your laptop? These devices have become extensions of ourselves, indispensable tools in our daily lives. Those online shopping sprees you love? They're made possible by a complex web of technology, from secure payment gateways to sophisticated recommendation algorithms, all powered by tech, all fueled by companies at the forefront of innovation. These giants are not just companies, they're shaping the future. This isn't a fad, folks. This is the future, and it's happening right now. We're living in an era where technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. We're talking about breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and even space travel. These advancements are not just theoretical, they're being implemented and are changing the way we live and work. These aren't just buzzwords, they're real, tangible industries creating jobs, generating wealth, and changing the world before our very eyes. The tech sector is a powerhouse of innovation and economic growth, and guess what? This train isn't slowing down anytime soon. The momentum is building, and the opportunities are expanding. In fact, it's picking up steam. The advancements we're seeing today are just the tip of the iceberg. The future holds even more incredible innovations. That's why it's absolutely critical to get on board the tech train before it leaves you standing on the platform. The world is moving fast, and those who embrace technology will be the ones who thrive in this new era. So whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, now is the time to pay attention. The financial earthquake is here, and it's reshaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Embrace the change, ride the wave, and be part of the future that's unfolding right before our eyes. The tech revolution is here, and it's just getting started. Let's cut to the chase. Tech isn't just a sector, it's the sector. It's the driving force behind the most significant changes in our world today. It's eating the world, one industry at a time. From transportation to entertainment, healthcare to finance, tech is the common thread weaving through every major industry. Remember taxis? Yeah, they're practically extinct thanks to Uber and Lyft. These ride-sharing giants have revolutionized how we think about transportation, making it more accessible and efficient. How about Blockbuster? Netflix made sure we'd never have to pay late fees again. By offering a vast library of content at our fingertips, Netflix has changed the way we consume media forever. The point is, tech is disrupting every aspect of our lives, from how we get around to how we consume entertainment. It's in our pockets, our homes, and even our cars, making everyday tasks easier and more convenient. And this disruption is creating massive opportunities for investors. The tech sector is not just about innovation, it's about growth, profitability, and the potential for substantial returns. These tech companies aren't just selling products, they're selling solutions, convenience, and the future itself. From smartphones to smart homes, these innovations are becoming integral parts of our daily lives. Think about it. What's more valuable? A company churning out widgets in a factory, or a company connecting billions of people through social media, e-commerce, and instant communication? The latter is not just a business, it's a global phenomenon. The answer is clear. Tech companies are the new titans of industry, and their growth potential is staggering. They are not just leading the market, they are defining it. This isn't just about making money, it's about being a part of something bigger. It's about being at the forefront of a revolution that is reshaping the world as we know it. It's about investing in the ideas and innovations that will shape the future. From artificial intelligence to blockchain, the possibilities are endless and the impact is profound. So the question isn't whether to invest in tech, it's how much and how soon. The future is being written in lines of code, and those who invest in tech are investing in the future itself. The time to act is now, as the tech wave is only gaining momentum. Now I know what you might be thinking. Tech stocks? Aren't those super risky? What about that dot-com bubble everyone talks about? Listen, I get it. Tech has a reputation for being volatile, and there have been some bumps in the road. But let me tell you something. Every market has its ups and downs. Remember 2008 when the entire financial system nearly collapsed? Tech stocks took a hit, sure, but they bounced back stronger than ever. Why? Because innovation doesn't stop, and neither does progress. The key is to be smart, do your homework, and not buy into the hype. Don't chase after the latest fad or get caught up in the fear of missing out, FOMO. Instead, focus on companies with solid fundamentals, strong leadership, and a real competitive advantage. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are great tech companies. It takes time, patience, and a little bit of guts to ride out the inevitable market fluctuations. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Riding the wave. What's hot in tech right now? All right, let's get down to brass tacks. The tech world is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for anyone looking to invest or innovate. What's hot in tech right now? What are the groundbreaking trends and innovations that are shaping the future of our world? What are the trends and innovations shaping the future? And more importantly, where should you be putting your money? These are the questions on everyone's mind. The good news is, there's no shortage of exciting opportunities. The tech landscape is brimming with potential, and the possibilities seem endless. First up, we have artificial intelligence, or AI. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative force that's reshaping industries. This is the real deal, folks. AI is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, and it's making waves across various sectors. We're talking about machines that can learn, adapt, and even outperform humans in certain tasks. The capabilities of AI are expanding rapidly, and its applications are vast. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize entire industries. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you catch up on emails, or where your doctor can predict and prevent illnesses before they occur. Then there's cloud computing, the backbone of the modern internet. It's the invisible force that powers our digital lives. Every time you stream a movie, send an email, or even just browse the web, you're using the cloud. It's an integral part of our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. And this massive data center in the sky is only getting bigger and more powerful. The demand for cloud services is skyrocketing, and companies are racing to expand their capabilities. And let's not forget about cybersecurity. In a world where data is the new gold, protecting that data is more important than ever. With all this data flying around, companies are scrambling to protect themselves from hackers and cyber attacks. The stakes are high and the threats are real. This is a constant cat-and-mouse game, and the companies developing innovative security solutions are raking in the dough. The cybersecurity market is booming, and it's a critical area for investment. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the future of tech. These trends are not just shaping the tech industry, they're shaping the world as we know it. These are just a few of the trends shaping the world, and the pace of innovation is only accelerating. Staying informed and adaptable is key to thriving in this dynamic environment. The companies at the forefront of these innovations are the ones you want to watch closely. They're the trailblazers, the ones pushing the boundaries and setting the stage for the future. Keep an eye on them, and you might just catch the next big wave in tech. Silicon Valley giants, Apple, Amazon, and the future of everything. Let's talk about the big dogs, the 800-pound gorillas of the tech world, Apple and Amazon. These two behemoths need no introduction. They're everywhere, they're indispensable, and they're sitting on mountains of cash. Apple, the company that once just made computers, now controls a vast ecosystem of devices, software, and services. From iPhones to Apple Watches to Apple Music, they've got their hooks in billions of users worldwide. Then there's Amazon, the online retail giant that's single-handedly reshaping the way we shop. But they're not just about selling you everything under the sun. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, their cloud computing platform, is a cash cow, powering businesses of all sizes. These companies are juggernauts, and their dominance is only growing. They're constantly innovating, acquiring smaller companies, and expanding into new markets. Sure, their valuations are astronomical, but their growth potential is still enormous. Investing in these giants is a bet on the future of tech itself.